Hello, my name is Srinivas Kale and I am from Mumbai. I work for one of the leading public sector companies in India. I am excited to share here about a phenomena that created a lasting impressions on me. I had heard about Srikanth and his work on SAP as he was part of a celebrated IT-led transformation at a major oil company in India. Around middle of 2013, Srikanth was helping a well-known company in preparing for their SAP program. He was to engage that company's board members and top management to appreciate the concepts of ERP and sensitize them about the change imperative from such a system. In that regard, he invited me to present a case study of a successful program at my company, and I was more than happy to join him. I imagined a conventional slideware anchored presentation, but what I experienced remains extremely impressive. Srikanth has engaged top professionals in the games and helped them understand and learn about ERP, SAP, and change aspects, both during the program and subsequently. Due to very fun environment, I noticed that participants shared their inhibitions and thoroughly enjoyed learning throughout the day. It was much to the surprise of many of their own colleagues who used to seek few minutes for listening time earlier. The interactions about my case study was so engaging that each participant learned more than he or she could have ever learned through any other modes. Success of any change mainly depends upon appreciation by top management, who is the main stakeholder, and as such, a non-time consuming, healthy and cordial way through gamification of concepts connects all. It is more pertinent in today's scenario wherein Generation Y, born after 2000, is keener on knowing the deliverables than understanding the modes of it, wherein Generation X is more appreciable on methodology with deliverables. Srikanth's way forward works as a lubricant to grasp the concepts, limitations in adapt manner and time. It may not be out of place to mention here that Srikanth books on the subject praise. A few ideas from this book are already been used by me for deriving desired results in my journey of career. I was also thrilled to listen and observe assimilation of concepts on ERP by students of post-graduation class for MBA that Srikanth was teaching. He had requested me to be a part of panel to interview those students and enable assessment on their knowledge on the subject. I was really astonished with deeper understanding among the students on the subject and shared my observation that I had to struggle facilitating such clearer understanding within my colleagues during ERP implementation in my company. In summary, I have experienced the effectiveness of game-based approach that Srikanth prescribes and would recommend it to use to your situation and circumstances. All the best, guys.